my friends, I am Peymon Mottahedeh, the president of Freedom Law School, which I created in 1996. In this short presentation, I will share with you this very important fact. No student of Freedom Law School who lawfully stopped filing and paying income taxes with Freedom Law School first has ever gone to prison with the IRS or has had any of his money taken by the IRS. As incredible as it sounds, that is the success history of Freedom Law School, okay? Now, let's go to our website, folks, okay? And when you go to step 4, okay, take courage from our victories, you go down in there, click in step 4, and you see that I myself have not filed or paid any federal income taxes since 1993, and disclaim that no student of us has ever gone to prison for federal taxes, nor had the paycheck or bank account seized by the IRS. Now, you can click on this Freedom Law School Victories rectangle here, or just simply go down past the Freedom Law School Victories section, and you see our student victories, which are many of them down here, okay? I'm just going to show you one of them, and you can see more for yourself. Freedom Law School zeroed out over $4.6 million of IRS tax claims of a student in 2010. Yes, and there's more detail about this case right here. All the documentations are hyperlinked, like you see here, okay, and here. So, folks, not only our students have not gone to prison, not only they've not paid any income tax to IRS legally, IRS has not taken anything from them either. That is a very unique record that Freedom Law School has. That means when you decide to join our Restore Freedom plan, folks, yes, to return America to freedom, you decide to become a founding father of America in the 22nd century, 21st century, folks, you are going to be safe. You're doing the right thing by taking action and stop feeding the beast. So, folks, there's nothing to worry about. You can get together with like-minded freedom seekers like yourself, knowing that your money is not going to the Washington, D.C. swamp to enslave and destroy you and your family, number one. Number two, you have to keep 70% of what would have paid to swamp. You have to keep it. It's your money. You worked hard for it. You keep it. You can keep 100% if you wanted to. You could have. But to be safe, you only keep 70%, and 30% you contribute to the Restore Freedom Plan so that we can keep you safe, and at the same time we can restore freedom in America at the same time. There's a more detailed video and a link below. You can watch that. And remember, go to our website, freedomlawschool.org, and start going through the 7 steps. That is the key. If you watch our videos at random, that's not good. Go through the 7 steps to free yourself of IRS, deception, robbery, and slavery. The first 5 steps are free. You can do it on your own, but if you choose to go to step 6, that's an option you have. We'll back you up and keep you free, and we'll have to reward you with step 7 if you want to spread the word and tell others also. So, you were meant to live free. Here's your chance. freedomlawschool.org.